Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're trying to opening the PDF file, the file is not opening. Here you are getting this type of error error, can't preview this file type, as you can see guys in my screen. So now let's see how to open this file without installing any other third-party app. Okay, so when you're getting this type of problem issue, so here you can get the open with option. Just tap on this option. Okay, so in case the option is not showing on your phone at that time, in the top right side corner here you can get three dots option. Just tap on it. From here you need to select open with option. Okay, like this. From here you need to select Google Drive, or if you have OneDrive installed on your phone, you can select OneDrive also. So for example, I am selecting Google Drive from here. So when I select this, so the file will open 100% perfectly, as you can see guys in my screen. So this is the easy and very simple way to fix this problem issue. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.